I missed that one. Keep the camera on. Look at this. You can go zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in again. Look at that. Yeah.
Oh, I still got more.
Yep. It's America. It's American and original.
Yeah, that's what I feel like. I think it would be.
Well, we make the bus.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at it.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I know.
Oh, look at. Oh, good ones. The louder the better, right?
I don't know what that one's called. I can't remember. That might be.
Oh. Look at them, they're watching them too. Look at that. Oh, look at baby Reich. Oh, bless you. Right, Becky?
Oh, that's not the sun.
It's alright.
Weeping Willow.
Right?
No, the meteor shower is the one that.
Right, Ryan, you like these?
You see the big chunks falling on it? Still?
Right, yeah, they're laying down. I think Alice is sleeping. So you know you had a good time.
Yes. Ain't over till
my legs. It ain't over. Yeah. Whoa. Look at that.
Alright, guys, quit falling asleep. That's all, buddy.
I know. I know. They're huge fireworks. They're loud. They get loud. A lot. Yeah, they do, right, Alice? Yes, they get louder and louder. They do, right? You like them? You guys like them? Yeah. We're like, yeah, we like
them. It's a waterfall.
Ooh.
Yep, that's a waterfall.
I like that. That's why I'm. Ooh, yeah, rainbow kind out. Ryan, rainbow kind. Oh, it's exciting. Ooh, more rainbow.
I don't know what it's called.
Oh, looks like Saturn.
Yep.
Oh, it's gonna be a high one. I like these. Ooh. There, Becky's like, ah. Yep. You excited, Becky? Oh, it's okay. It's
I'm just hungry.
It's okay. Yes, the fireworks are all right. Oh. Right? Yeah. 2 down, right? And then you probably go to sleep too, probably. No, you're up, right? Works out. Ooh, look at that one. Whoa. Oh, I like that.
I think this might be the finale.
Finale, yeah. 4th of July finale. Woo! Yes, it's a good one. Oh, Becky's like, yay. 4th of July finale behind you, Becky.
Yeah, it's constant.
Yeah, this is awesome.
But